In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your residential address on Amazon for digital purchases. This is a simple process, and I'll guide you step by step so you can update your details quickly and without any confusion. Let's get started. First, go to Amazon and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, move to the top right corner and click on Account and Lists. From the drop-down menu, select Account to open your account settings page. Here, you'll see different sections related to your account. Scroll down until you find Digital Content and Devices, then click on it. On the next page, look for the option called Manage Your Content and Devices. This is where you control settings related to your digital purchases, such as ebooks, apps, and other online content. Once you're inside, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. Click on the Preferences tab. Now, scroll down until you see a section called Country/Region Settings. This section controls the address linked to your digital content. Next, click on the Change button. This will allow you to update your residential information. You'll now be able to enter your new country or region details along with your updated address. Take your time here and make sure everything is accurate. Small mistakes in your address can sometimes affect access to certain digital content or services. After entering the correct information, review all the details carefully. Once you're sure everything looks good, click on the Update button to save your changes. Your new residential address will now be applied to your Amazon account for digital purchases. One important thing to keep in mind is that changing your region may affect the availability of certain content depending on location, so it's always a good idea to double-check before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully changed your residential address on Amazon. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.